Hey guys, so today we're going to draw the very fun character known as Bacon Hair from the hit video game Roblox. So let's go get our Roblox on.
Hey guys, alright, so let's get started drawing Bacon Hair. They call him Bacon Hair because his hair is like this brown kind of strips, and the way it's rendered in the game Roblox with the coloring, it looks a lot like bacon. So it's kind of make these almost like, it looks like he's got noodle hair. This is kind of, and he's got kind of a ovalish square rectangle head. Roblox always reminded me of kind of like Legos, and I think sometimes this bacon here, or I mean this piece of hair, covers his eye in some of the pictures I've seen. And there's his smile, and we'll draw a few more little pieces of hair. And then here's a half circle for the collar of his shirt, and he usually has a blue shirt, like a black kind of jacket. My son plays Roblox a lot, and he tries to get me to play, and I'm not very good at it at all. I can't ever get the little people to do what I want them to do. And usually by the time I do figure anything out, I'm either dead or back in jail or back at the starting spot. Bacon Hair has a black sleeves and a black shirt, so I'm just gonna, hopefully a marker won't run out, and just color it all black. One of the Roblox games I play a little bit with my son is called Doomspire or Brick Battle, I think is what it's called. And there's like 4 floating fortresses, green, yellow, red, and blue. And you're divided up into teams, and the object is to destroy all the other forts. And you have like a little rocket launcher or bombs, and so you can kind of go over to their fort and drop bombs and blow it up. And it's pretty fun, but I'm horrible at it. And the fun part though is trying to play with my son, and he's all over the place. He's sort of a, I don't want to say he's an expert because I haven't really seen anybody else play, but he's really good, and it's frustrating playing with him because I'm horrible at it, and he usually kills me before I even know what's going on. But it's fun. Maybe at some point I'll try to get him to make a little video where we can show you exactly how horrible I am. So the Bacon Hair guy, he's the character you get when you first start Roblox, I believe. He's sort of like your generic starter character. And he's got a blue shirt, and on his shirt is a motorcycle. But I am going to change that, and I'm going to draw my little pencil logo that's on my YouTube channel. Now if you want to, you can draw the pencil too, or you can draw the motorcycle, or you can put your own little picture in here. So that's the basic Bacon Hair guy, and they call him Bacon Hair because you can see his hair is kind of interesting looking. But I got some, I'm gonna use markers today. Usually I've been doing all these in watercolor, but I figured I'd try some marker today. So I'm just gonna color it a light brown. Color his hair all brown. Well, my son told me that this is your starter character if you pick a boy character. If you pick a girl character, I don't know if they have an equivalent Bacon Hair girl character. I'm not sure. I have to look into that. So here's where the name Bacon Hair really comes from. His hair kind of has, it's got like a darker outline, kind of like his hair almost looks like it's 3D, like it's these big clumps. But then it's got like stripes down the middle. I think in the rendering they were trying to make it textured or layered. But so you can see how he gets the name Bacon Hair. And then he's got the blue shirt. So I'm just going to color this blue. So there is Bacon Hair, but since I can't stay away from my watercolors, I'm going to get a little bit of gray, and I'm just going to put a little bit of a background since the character is just white, and when he's on a white background it's not that interesting, so I'm going to add a little bit of gray here. Kind of make him stand out just a little bit from that white background. You don't have to do this. You can use it. You could use another color. But that makes me think about one other thing. I've got a gray marker. I'm just going to kind of add a little bit of shadow here under his sleeve and underside of his arm here, closest to his body, and then right here. And then his hair would also cause a bit of a shadow on his face. So I'm just going to do a little bit like this. So there you go. Bacon Hair. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.